In the realm of recreational vehicles, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome pushes the limits of luxury and driving performance. This RV is designed for individuals who expect nothing less than the finest, both on and off the road. By fusing the luxury of a five-star hotel room with the craftsmanship of Bentley's esteemed automotive heritage. Performance. The 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine that powers the 2026 Bentley Motorhome generates more than 700 horsepower. Even on long desert routes or steep mountain peaks, this powerhouse's clever all-wheel drive and sophisticated 8-speed automatic gearbox allow for smooth, precise acceleration and incredible torque. Regardless of the terrain, an adaptable air suspension guarantees a silky, smooth ride. External style. The RV has the distinctive LED matrix headlights, handcrafted chrome highlights, and elegant lines that are hallmarks of the Bentley brand. The structure's strengthened carbon aluminum composite frame maximizes durability and safety while maintaining aerodynamic performance. The vehicle's impressive appearance is completed by a full-length panoramic top and polished 24-inch alloy wheels. Luxurious interior design. As you enter, you are greeted by an elegant haven, master bedroom, a memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and a full-size king bed with a leather headboard sewn by Bentley. Premium wool carpeting and automated blackout curtains make a peaceful sleeping space. Bathroom suite. This suite has heated floors, marble walls, a rainfall shower, a smart toilet with a bidet feature, and a backlit vanity mirror. Every fixture has a matte chrome or brushed gold finish. Living and lounge area. Handcrafted wood-paneled bar with crystal decanters, a 70-inch OLED TV with surround sound, and reclining leather couches. Kitchen. Integrated into a polished oak and granite countertop. This kitchen features gourmet-level amenities, such as a wine chiller, espresso machine, smart refrigerator, and twin induction hob. Smart home integration. Interior touchscreen panels regulate the temperature, entertainment, lighting, and privacy settings. Bentley's AI assistant is compatible with voice-activated commands. Extra features. Hidden parking space for an e-scooter or Bentley Continental GT, Level 4 security system and bulletproof glass, satellite internet and worldwide GPS connectivity, solar panel roofing for environmentally friendly electricity, integrated climate-controlled wardrobe. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome is a mobile palace designed for the affluent, not just a car. It provides unparalleled style, power, and refinement wherever the road takes you, whether you're traveling across continents or just spending a weekend away.